What is it? Cash? Jewels?
There's nothing here.
What'd you say?
It's a suit.
What?
It's an old motorcycle suit.
There's no cash, no jewelry.
Hello everyone and welcome back to The News Fetcher. This video contains answers to many questions about the Ant-Man. The pimp particle and time traveling risk in the MCU, you will know all about that. So watch this video till the end.
Between man and suit is symbiotic. The suit has power. The man harnesses that power. You need to be skillful, agile, and above all, you need to be fast.
But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and press on the bell icon to receive notifications of our upcoming videos. The pimp particle is one of the few catch-all plot devices in the MCU. In the first Ant-Man film, Hank Pym outlines a basic limit of the pimp particle that could lead to dire ramifications for many heroes. Pym explains that the particle is volatile, and exposure to the particle without his specialized helmet can alter the brain's
You would enter a
chemistry.
quantum realm.
What does that mean?
It means that you would enter a reality where all concepts of time and space become irrelevant as you shrink for all eternity.
When Scott Lang asked why Pym can't use the Ant-Man suit himself, he says that after many years the suit took a toll on him. So even with the helmet, the particle can have lasting effects on its users. If that's the case, then the pimp particle may be slowly killing its creator and potentially all the Avengers who use the particle to travel through time in Avengers Endgame.
It's baby.
It's Scott.
As a baby.
He'll grow.
Bring Scott back.
Time travel!
We know that Pym has been weakened by the particle and he's already been shown to be a little aggressive and rude even to those close to him. The entire Avengers roster who survived the snap used the particles for time travel in Avengers Endgame. Well, they weren't exposed to the particle as long as Pym was. It's unclear if using the particle in that manner could have more serious effects.
Dad, are you seeing this?
Hope, get out of there!
Van Dyne may be the next to feel the effects of altered brain chemistry. In Ant-Man and the Wasp, she says, "I'm not the same woman I was 30 years ago, Henry. This place, it changes you."
Captain America. Look, I really don't want to hurt you.
I wouldn't stress about it.
So while Pym and Van Dyne may be at great risk of going insane, it's not easy to say whether Lang, Hope or rest of the Avengers could be going down the same path as well. So that's it for today. Do you know more facts about Ant-Man that I did not mention in this video? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button and see you all in the next video.